Hey everybody, this is Rob Thomas, D.F.R, driver safety. I told you I was going to bring you some really good stuff, and right now I am at Red Robin and they are doing a driver, like old school classic car show here. And I just pulled up and I'm in the parking lot. I just want you to know that I'm going to bring you some interesting cars to take a look at, and if things go right, I hope to be able to talk to some of the drivers to get some information on some of these cars, on how they got started